on Saturday night, I stitched and stitched and stitched. And before I knew it, it was 1 a.m. and I wasn't tired. I just felt like going forever. But you know what? I have to go to bed because everyone else has expectations of me in the morning. So anyway, this is some of the stuff I was doing. I'm just keep adding bits and pieces to my kimono that I would like to kind of, I don't know, I just want to keep going. So I kept going on this, adding more and more patches. The base fabric is just incredible. I don't know what it is. I can't find the designer or when it was done. I think it's 1960s, but I'm adding more and more detail to it, giving it a little bit more weight in the sleeves. And now I want to do the interior of the sleeves because some of them are, some of it is exposed. And I figure that could look really good when you're looking at the side sleeve. You might see, like a flash of colour. This is the fire. The fire was on Saturday night in November in the Blue Mountains in Australia, which is incredible. And now it's 28 degrees today. So it's Monday morning now. I'm getting ready to go out to Bathurst. But this was Saturday night. So here are the pockets. I have some incredible vintage fabric that I've found. This 1950s design, more cantha stitching, just bits and bobs, all my scraps I've been adding. But look at that base fabric. Isn't it incredible? I need to find out who designed it. I'm thinking about kind of recreating it and giving it a modern twist because it is stunning. It's beautiful. So anyway, you can see, and then I started to get a bit silly with ideas, and I thought now's the time to go to bed, stop adding things just for the sake of it. But yeah, anyway, no, that doesn't look good. No, that doesn't look good either. I was tired by this stage. No, forget it. So then I started playing with these beautiful recycled little purses or bags. I'm thinking this would make a great workshop to do some simple slow stitching and adding vintage fabrics, much easier for people. So that's online. Do I need to add trim? What do I need to add to that? Sunday morning, I woke up and got a text saying, come and have coffee with us. So I went for a walk. It was much warmer. That's the most beautiful old Edico or manor house up there. These are some of the houses in our village, which I love looking at as, I walk past, including this little secret garden. Isn't that stunning? It's just so pretty. Nothing's in flower right now, which is sad, but anyway. So here's walking up to the left, there's our incredible train station, the old Mount Victoria railway station. And this is me adding a bit more to my bag. So the bag that I started ages ago and I just haven't finished, I sat there and said, nope, you're going to finish it today. So this is the side panels of the bag. Just added a bit more stitching here and there just to kind of make it look like if it's going to be embroidered, it needs to be embroidered all over, not just have sections which are plain because I'm tired and sick of this project and want to move on to the next thing. So yes, it's done. And I'm actually really thrilled with this bag. I'm not sure if I should keep it or sell it. I feel like doing another project, but it is stunning and it's so soft. It has a bit of blanket as well. So when it's laying on your knees, it's quite warm and cuddly. So it's full on, but it's a lot of fun. And I hope I'm going to show you it in a minute because I seem to be caught here on showing you the stitching, which is fine for about 2 seconds. So this video was originally vertical and that's why it's in and out of focus. I still haven't got the hang of, creating 2 separate videos or working out how to show vertical and horizontal for different audiences. It's exhausting having to do different layouts for different social media platforms. But anyway, you get the drift. That little bit of leopard print is my old pyjamas. And then what I've done is a great blanket stitch across all those edges. So you can see all my rough stitches to hold everything down. I've got a nice maroon stitch over the top of everything to pull it together. And I think that's sort of like icing sugar on the cake. It just makes it look like 100%. Just absolutely stunning. So I'm very thrilled that I finally got that one finished. So here it is. These are the straps. I was working away on all the straps, and this is the front of the bag. The interior, there's a lot of work on this bag. I can't work out how many hours, probably 50 or 60, I reckon. That's it done. You can see the maroon blanket stitch there too, which I finally finished the whole thing. It's so cute. So I'm not sure if it should be some of my sewing projects, my embroidery projects, or I do have a lot of bags and I want to start another one, so should I sell it? This one needs to go online today. This is an incredible jacket which I've upcycled just with a little bit of sashiko stitching, and on the back I've put an incredible panel that I've sourced. So it's quite lovely, this one, and with those buttons on the front in metal, I think this would make a great piece for someone with a pair of jeans or something. Back to my kimono. So this is where I'm at. I think it still needs a lot more. I'd like to do a lot more to it. And to remake one, I can see some errors I made in how to create it, but that's all part of the learning too, isn't it? And here's me putting it on for you. It's too hot today. I was going to wear it and then thought, wow, no, I won't be wearing this today. It's way too hot. But it's so comfortable. So you can see inside the sleeves a little bit. That's what I was thinking. Imagine a little hint of colour. That would be fun. What do you think? So this is it. This is the end of this video. And I have to head to Bathurst now. But I wanted to show you how it looked and get your thoughts. What do you think? There's the bag too. So if you are keen to see more of my work, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Bye.